Hi everybody, Damien here from Droneworksireland. You may already have a drone. You may have a Mavic Mini, you may have a Mavic Pro, you may have a Phantom 4, you could have a Phantom 3. We do trade-ins on any of those drones from Phantom 3 Advanced upwards. So Phantom 3 Advanced, Phantom 3 Professional, Phantom 4, Phantom 4 Advanced. You can upgrade and trade in your drone against any of these newer ones. So you have the Mavic Mini there. You'll see our prices on the website under drone trade-ins, and you can deduct that off the price we currently have on the drone. Give us a call, you'll send it in to us and we will assess it. If it's as good as you say it is, we'll give you the trade-in. Thanks, Damien here from Droneworksireland.